Alright, so in this interior real estate photography tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken light fixture. Boom! Right like that. So let's zoom back out. Let's bring this image into Photoshop, Command E, and this will bring that one image right here into Photoshop. Alright, so once the layer is in Photoshop, we are going to Command J to duplicate that layer. Let's zoom in so we can see what we're working with here. So we got to replace this broken piece, and we're going to actually take it from this one. And that's the beauty of Photoshop. Let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to zoom in here even closer. We're going to grab our pen tool, and we're going to take about from here down and just move it over and resize it and fit it in there, and you'll never know it was broken. So we got to highlight this by just making connection points here, tracing this all the way around like that, bringing it up this side. Let's cross it over here. Once you have your connection made, you're going to right click, make selection, and then hit OK. And now what we're going to do is Command C to, actually we got to come up here to this move tool. We're going to Command C to duplicate it, and we're going to bring up right about here. And now we have to come up here to Edit, Transform, and then Scale, and that's going to allow us to pull this into place from this side right about, let's keep going, right about there. Looks good to me. And let's take this opacity down a little bit. Looks like it's in perfect position. And let's uncheck that. And we'll come over here. Actually, we don't want to uncheck it just yet. Let's come up here to Edit, Transform, Scale. Is it going to give it back to us? Yes. We're going to make this just a little bit bigger. There we go. We want to make sure that it's fitting in there so it looks realistic. Okay, there we go. So now what we got to do in order to make this blend better is I'm going to try the patch tool here. So we're going to just select this portion of it and bring it up here and then let go. And let's try that again. We want to try to get rid of this line right here just so it blends in a little bit better. And again, this is just playing around. There we go. Okay, now if we back out, that looks pretty good to me. Let's toggle that on and off. Look at that. We fixed a broken chandelier piece. And again, you could do that with, these can lights, or if you have a light bulb out in a bathroom fixture, same method. You're just going to copy that light bulb, Command C, move it over, and resize it by coming up here and using the Edit, Transform, and then Scale tool. There you go, folks. I hope that helped you. Leave me a comment below if you have any issues or questions about this, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.